Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Lately I've changed the name of the channel, but this is an introduction video to my F-150. It's a 2023 F-150 Coyote truck. IHC lowering kit, 22-inch Shelby wheels and tires, custom exhaust by me. IHC lowering kit, I said that already. I forgot who did the traction bars, but I'll put it in the description. Reason why we changed it to corn-fed racing, it just has more, I think, flair to it than man versus FPV. That didn't work out for me, guys, with the drones. I didn't fly them that much. I couldn't put out videos. I've been doing cars and racing since I was 14. It's my passion. I figured I'll do this. All the work I've done to the Mustang, into this truck, into the SL, I could have got a ton of videos on it. I just didn't do it. A lot of work was done to the truck. There's more to come to the truck. There's more to come to the Mustang. Mustang's in pieces right now, waiting for parts. We're going to get to that. We're going to make some videos on that. Here's a little tour of my pickup. Leather's interiors. Don't have all the goodies, but most of it. So I figured I'd introduce my pickup truck to everybody. We plan on getting together. We're doing a turbo kit for these trucks. We're probably going to do a remote mount turbo kit and put it up for sale. Try to compare the prices all over from everybody else and do it cheaper but better. We'll try to have a kit that's going to have a turbo with it, and if you wanted to buy the piping and everything, cold side, hot side, intercooler, and add your own turbo, we could do that. But we're going to add a couple of different kits. It'll probably be early first quarter 24. We're going to put that out in the next couple of months. Guys, the IHC lowering kit was actually a really good kit. It came with a lot of stuff. I did not like the shocks that came with it. The truck did not ride right, so we added all Beltec shocks, front and rear. It rided a lot better. The traction bars did not help. It still spins from a
Sorry
hole
for
like
the
you would see.
finger.
I need to get better tires for the back. It's tuned by Oz Performance, Oz Tuning. I love their tune. I never bragged so much about a can tune in my life. Email tune. I always liked to, laptop tunes, dyno tunes for all the cars. But this can tune is literally, I love it. It's great for this truck. I didn't ask for anything else but that tune. So I'm thinking rear mounted turbo, because we're going to be making the kits. We're going to do R&D on this truck. And we're going to do, I don't know if I'm going to stick with the turbo kit on this truck, but I wanted to do a supercharger, Torque Storm. If you're listening, I would like to try one of you guys' superchargers on this truck, see how it works, see how it goes. I'd like to be the first one to do it, especially on a 23 F-150 4th Gen Coyote. If you guys, I don't know, Whipple, Torque Storm, or turbocharger, let me know, guys, in the comments. What do you guys think? I get all the same amount of horsepower. I'm not trying to get over to kill horsepower. The truck runs great, stock, bone stock, just a little tuning exhaust. But I'm thinking we could do at least 700 just to have it some power. The real thing about this truck, I only wanted this vehicle, guys, to pull my Mustang to the track on the trailer with it. And I tried to get one for a while here in Georgia, and I couldn't find it. First one I found was this antimatter blue. I'm actually in love with the color because it looks blue in the sunlight and it turns black in the shade. It's really, really cool. So I really like the color. I kind of fell in love with this truck. It's a very fun truck to drive with the 10-speed in it. But I figured we'll introduce the pickup truck and I'll show you guys more stuff at home. We'll pop the hood open. You guys seen the interior already. Tonneau cover is gonna go. I don't like it either. I'm gonna do something that's even with the bed and the wing, because we did add the wing to it. For American Trucking, it looks a lot better. But I hear all the 24s are gonna come with all the options, base models with the big screens and everything. For Gen Coyote, I got the Roush cold air intake, ported manifold. I ported the manifold myself. I've been doing that for years. Manifold gave it some extra power, can't lie. So, nothing spectacular. Just, you know, normal truck from the factory with a tune and a cold air intake and ported manifold and some exhaust, catback. But other than that, love the vehicle. Very fun truck to drive. Ford, good job. I hit the wrong button. I stopped the video. I do apologize. I'm using my iPhone 15 Pro. But yeah, Torquestorm, if you're listening, man, I would love to try one of the superchargers on this thing. If you guys could work with me, maybe make a plate or something to fit this Ford Gen Coyote, that would be great. So this is my introduction video to the vehicle. It's my new toy. I don't use it for work. I don't use it for anything like that. Just mess around with it. And I wanted to touch on the last video I did about the hosing. Somebody commented there, said something about it, me with my broken English. And no, they're advertising that hose as fuel line, guys. Yeah, I understand my hose was PTFE, but you know, for people that don't know and they want fuel line for their cars, that's just gonna hurt them. It's gonna explode on them, cut on them, leak. So that's why it's like, if you're gonna go with anything, go with better stuff, especially when it comes to fuel systems or something important like that. You can skimp out on certain things, but you can't skimp out on really important stuff when you're trying to race. You put a lot of pressure behind that hose, it's gonna explode. My broken English, yes, I'm half Italian, half Romanian. Sorry, grew up in North Jersey. I guess there's gonna be people out there like that. But anyways, guys, God bless you guys. It's Friday. There's Christmas in a few days, Monday. Everybody have a happy holiday, and hopefully I'm gonna have plenty more videos coming this summer, especially on the Mustang and this pickup. You guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and God bless to everybody. Thank you. Like and subscribe, please share.